Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page. Been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. Link is in the bio. I do have some treats there for you. Your word of the day is vitality, Aquarius. I need you to take care of your mind, body, and spirit. I need you to eat right, treat right, stay away from pork and shellfish. You cannot manifest a healthy body and a healthy mind frame with a filthy diet. I need you in a massage bed and in a chiropractic office twice a month at the minimum, so we can open up that lymph system, flush the junk out. Make sure that we get some pressure off of those pinched nerves so we can get some a feel of relief, and we're not walking around like balls of tension and anger. I am a light, a being of light, and accept divine energy in my body. Take care of every one of the parts of my body, mind, body, and spirit. Every one of my cells regenerates, and then it sends you to the level of strength. When you're strong, that means you can go on. What does it benefit you to have your heart's desires? You can't enjoy it due to poor health and poor thinking. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.